Imagine getting into a crash while driving for Lyft or just riding along, and suddenly you're not sure who's paying for what. That's why today, we're diving into Lyft insurance coverage. Off-app versus on-app crash liability in 2025. We're gonna walk through three key things: what coverage looks like depending on your app status, what legal and financial risks you might face, and what steps to take if you're ever in a Lyft accident. We're gonna walk through three key things: what coverage looks like depending on your app status, what legal and financial risks you might face, and what steps to take if you're ever in a Lyft accident. First up, let's talk about how Lyft's insurance actually works and why the app status at the time of a crash changes everything. When the Lyft app is off, there's zero coverage from Lyft. You're fully dependent on the driver's personal insurance or the rental company's if it's a Lyft vehicle. But when the app is on and you're waiting for a ride request, Lyft does step in, just a little. They provide limited third-party coverage, like up to $50,000 per person for injuries and $30,000 for property damage, but only if your personal policy won't cover it. Now, if you're already on a trip or heading to pick someone up, that's when Lyft's full insurance kicks in. During active rides, Lyft provides up to $1 million in liability coverage, plus protection against uninsured drivers and even damage to the driver's own car if they already have that on their personal policy. This matters because California treats rideshare crashes differently. And even with these big numbers, insurers still look for reasons to pay out less or not at all. So just being covered doesn't always mean you're protected. So what should you do if you're ever in a Lyft-related accident? Whether you're a passenger, driver, or just in the wrong place at the wrong time. Start with the basics. Call 911, get medical help, take photos, gather info, and report the crash through the Lyft app. But don't talk to insurance adjusters without legal backup. Having an experienced attorney makes all the difference. The best Lyft accident lawyer in Hawthorne knows how to handle these cases, fighting lowball offers, gathering strong evidence, and making sure you don't end up paying for someone else's mistake. So remember, Lyft's insurance depends on the app's status. Legal protection is key after any crash, and acting fast, especially with the right help, can protect your health and your wallet. If you want to dig deeper into this topic or know someone who drives or rides with Lyft, check out the full blog. It's packed with details and helpful advice. And if you've been in a Lyft-related crash in California, we're here to help. Contact us today for a free, confidential consultation with a local attorney who knows exactly how to handle rideshare claims.